Alright, so we're in a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. As you can see, this vehicle is equipped with the Toyota Entune 2.0 Premium Plus radio. This radio needs a software update. So what we're going to do is do the update on the bench. So what we're going to show you is how to remove the radio from your vehicle's dash. First, you want to start by removing the dash bezel trim. So you just want to grab and pull. You can see the dash comes off pretty simply. You can see the radio is held in by 4 hex screws. These are size 10. Gently slide the radio out. There are numerous wiring cables connected to the radio, so you don't want to tug the radio out. You want to gently pull out because you will also be exposing, the wiring cable inside your dash. So you don't want to yank any cables out and damage any cables while doing so. So simply remove any wiring harness that is visible. So we've successfully updated this radio, so now we're going to reinstall the radio back into the dash. Start with Sirius XM antenna. This is the rear camera cable. So if your car has a built-in USB port, this is the USB that gets plugged into the radio. Makeshift GPS antenna. You want to verify that you've replugged in all of the wiring harnesses in your dash. You may have 1 or 2 that are not being used, which is okay. So you just want to make sure no cables have fallen back into this hole. Looks like we've gotten everything. So once the harnesses are back in, all the harnesses are plugged into the radio, you can go ahead and complete the installation of the radio back into your dash. Grab your dash bezel. Make sure it's aligned properly. There are tension clips that go into corresponding holes on your dash. So you just want to make sure those are all lined up and pop your dash bezel back into place. Give it a little tap. Make sure those clips are retained successfully. And installation of the radio back into the dash is complete.